Just like you, I have a lot of goals that I want to strive for in 2022. I want to start my journey becoming bilingual. I want to start a LLC, and I want to start a merch line. Though I have a lot of goals I want to reach in 2022, one of my top priorities in 2022 will be creating passive income. Passive income is regular earnings coming from a source outside of an employer or a contractor. In this video, I'm going to give you my current passive income strategies and what I have planned going into 2022. Stay tuned. Currently, I have two sources of passive income. They are stocks and crypto. I use 3 different apps to buy my stocks and crypto. Those 3 apps are Acorns, Robinhood, and Crypto.com. I'll briefly describe each. Acorns, I would say, is an app that allows you to invest passively or with little to no work. They have different types of investment accounts in the app, but in this video, I'm just going to speak about their invest account. In your invest account, Acorns does all the investing for you. They will simply ask, what's your risk level from conservative to aggressive? They will ask you to link a debit card, and if you want to round up your purchases, they will then use that change that you rounded up from your purchases to the next whole dollar and use that change in your investments. They also offer the option to add weekly reoccurring payments. That way you can put money in your account and you can be investing on a regular basis. The app is completely passive. All you need to do is put money in the app and Acorns will take care of the rest for you. Robinhood is another great app for stocks. It's actually the first app I used to buy stocks in December of 2020 with just $10. Robinhood is not as passive as Acorns. Robinhood, you be doing your own due diligence and purchasing your own stocks. The app is very beginner friendly and has a lot of help to get you started purchasing your first stocks. If you're looking to invest passively, Robinhood is not the app for you. But if you're looking to slowly start purchasing your own stock holdings and are willing to put in some work to do some research on your stocks, Robinhood is a great app to start with. Last but not least is the AppCrypto.com. On this app, I buy and stake crypto. When I stake my crypto, I'm earning interest on crypto that I've already purchased. And once I'm done staking it, I can take it out whenever I want and turn it right back into the US dollar. But after every stake term is done, instead of collecting the interest, I stake it all again, earning compound interest. 2 of an investor's favorite words. These are my only sources of passive income at the moment. What sources of passive income are you generating right now? Let me know in the comments below. With 2022 approaching, I plan to add at least 3 more sources of passive income to my investment portfolio. The first one will be with your help. Yes, you, the viewer. YouTube will be a source of passive income for me. So once I get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, I will be eligible to be monetized. Once I'm monetized, I plan on reinvesting that money back from YouTube and putting it right back into my channel, including new gear, a new YouTube setup, and things like that. I've already mentioned this next source of passive income, and that's merch. At this point, I would just be making merch for Green Tea with Blain Tea. Green Tea with Blain Tea is a show that I do on Facebook Lives where we go over affirmations to get us started through our long, long days. I've got a lot of ideas that I want to do with merch for Green Tea with Blain Tea, but I'm not going to talk about them in too much detail just yet. With merch, I can add my personal touch onto a lot of different products, and the options are limitless. The last source of income that I would add would be real estate. Real estate doesn't have to be just the place that you live. You can also use real estate as a source of passive income. For example, I'm working with a buyer right now. We just went under contract for a duplex. He plans to buy the duplex, rent out the other unit, fix it up in the meantime, and then move out in a year or so, and then start the process all over again. Except when he moves out, he can rent out both units and begin income from both units, and finish paying off the mortgage for the one house and begin paying for the other. And get this, he's only 22. 22. If he can do it, we all can do it. Who knows how many homes he'll have when it's all said and done. The goal for me adding all these sources of passive income is to no longer have to work a job. I will be free to do what I please, and I can put my time and energy into things that I truly feel deserve them. For those of you that also seek multiple streams of passive income, why do you do it? What are some passive income sources that you know of that I didn't mention in this video today? Feel free to leave them down in the comments below. If you guys got any value from today's video, hit the like button and share it with a friend. Again, my name is Blain Thomas, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy holidays.